Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to be thankful for my children. Before I before I get going here, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I don't know how long it's going to be around. I have chosen to make my channel as a made for kids channel, simply because I didn't know what else to do. I'm not independently wealthy yet, and so I can't afford a $42,000 fine from the FTC. I am thankful that they are looking out for the benefits of the children. I'm not that thrilled about the fact that YouTube has gone about it in the way they have. I've heard a lot of information. I've been watching many YouTube videos and trying to glean all the information that I can from this. For those of you who haven't watched any of the stuff on YouTube, YouTube has had a $170 million settlement with the FTC over this COPPA thing. They originally said that they were not made, they weren't doing things that would exploit children, and they didn't fall under the COPPA rule and all of that. And then they came back and promoted themselves to advertisers as being child friendly and having lots of child content. And so the FTC and several other people said you can't have it both ways. And so then, from what I understand, they had a settlement, and in that settlement is what you're seeing going on with the made for kids or not made for kids stuff. Because there, I looked at all of the different aspects of that, and because they said if child actors appear in your videos, I don't consider my children child actors. They just act naturally the way that they always act, and I just ended up capturing some of it on film. So because of that, it's either remove those videos and go in a different direction, or stick with being a family-friendly creator and having family-friendly content and being labeled as made for kids. Now, I don't know where that's going to take me. There's people that'll tell you that the YouTube is going to crack down on you. You're not going to have any comments. You're not going to get any your videos won't get any notifications, and by January 1st they're going to terminate everything on your channel so that they can comply with the FTC. Well, that's fine. I can rebrand myself, but I'm not going to rebrand this channel. Also, if all of that stuff doesn't happen, I am working on making a YouTube group that's going to be modeled after small YouTube homesteaders that Two Family Homestead put together. I want this to specifically be made for people who are making family-friendly content but have had to, because of similar reasons like having their family in a video, have had to mark their content as made for kids. I would like to be able to give people the opportunity to have more views on YouTube, so that somewhere down the line somebody will be able to say, hey, look, these people have an audience, and we're missing out on advertising dollars. We're missing out on a way to make some more money, and they will offer those people something different. They'll figure out a way to make the advertising work, simply because of they don't want to miss out. Anyway, that's my hope, that in this something better and more well, something better can come out of it. Not just for me, but for a whole bunch of people that don't really know what's going on out there. So when I get this video done, I'm gonna go up there and edit this thing, and then I'm gonna work on making some rules for the Facebook group, and put in I'll put a link down here in the video description. But I'm thankful that I can make videos for family that are family friendly, and I'm thankful that there's other people out there that do as well, regardless of what people are being labeled and how they're being treated. Leave me a comment below while you can, and if everything gets straightened out by January 1st, I'll be a happy camper. But if the worst, if the sky falls in and everything that people say could happen happens, then it's been nice knowing you guys. I'm thankful for that time as well. Right now we're also on Facebook and Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And I'm also going to put some links down in the description box below where you can sign a petition, and also where you can make some comments to the FTC, because they are talking about revising where they've gone with COPPA. I've done a lot of hard thinking about all of this, and it's kind of like having to give up your baby, at least for me. But I don't want to be negative about it. I think it'll be for the best. Things will work out for the best. And regardless of what happens, I do wish everybody luck out there. I've met so many cool people. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.